Odessa. The Odessa National Academic Opera and Ballet Theatre you have just pictured is the oldest theatre in Odessa, Ukraine. The theatre and the Potemkin space are the most famous buildings in Odessa. The modern building was built by Elanur in Neuburg, Spain. Ulissa Darbasivka or Ulissa Darbasovkaya or the Ribas Street is the pedestrian crossing in the heart of Odessa, Ukraine. The street is named after Just Ribas, the prodigal of Odessa, president of the military and civil administration, and a house on the street. Potemkin Stairs or Potemkin Steps again staircase in Odessa, Ukraine. The stairs are regarded as an official entrance to the city from the sea and are the most well-known symbol of Odessa. Bronze statues in the town square depicting the famous governor Cardinal Richelieu in a tower. Whining, a type of ravioli, can be prepared with different ingredients such as minced meat, or potato. It's also possible to find this meal, which is usually served at home in some restaurants. Pasture desserts also have a special place in Odessa eating and drinking habits. In addition to the cream food in dog and the atrium, the sweet tea and coffee is one of the most popular desserts. It's possible to say a kind of competitor for Uzvar prepared from forestier, espresso and cherry. Do not leave the city without trying the climb, which has an important place in traditional Ukrainian cuisine. It has one of the largest ports on the Black Sea coast. Odessa is really great.